Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Big Cartel for small businesses. First, go to the Big Cartel website and create an account. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can start building your online store. Next, set up your store by adding your business name, branding, and basic settings. This helps create a professional identity for your small business. After that, go to the Product section and click Add a Product. Here you can list your items, whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or handmade goods. Make sure to upload clear, high-quality images and write detailed descriptions that explain what you're selling. Good visuals and descriptions help build trust with customers. Next, set your prices and organize your products so your store is easy to navigate. You can also customize your store design in the Shop Designer to match your brand style. Then, set up payment options so customers can easily purchase your products. Also, check your shipping settings if you're selling physical items. Once everything is ready, preview your store and publish it so it becomes live and accessible to customers. And that's it. You now know how to use Big Cartel for small businesses. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.